Imagine a future where humanity is no longer confined to Earth. Mars, our red neighbor, is closer than ever to becoming humanity's second home. Thanks to advancements in technology, that future might be closer than you think. Mars has captivated human imagination for centuries. But why Mars? It's the most Earth-like planet in our solar system and offers the potential for a new beginning. The journey to Mars is no longer science fiction. With advancements in space travel technology, including reusable rockets by SpaceX and NASA's Mars mission plans, we are closer than ever. Living on Mars won't be easy. Harsh radiation, freezing temperatures, and the need for oxygen present serious challenges. But scientists are already developing solutions, such as underground habitats and oxygen generators like MOXIE. The groundwork is already being laid. From robotic explorers paving the way to companies like SpaceX testing life support systems, Mars is no longer just a dream, it's a developing reality. The red planet is no longer a distant dream but a frontier waiting to be explored. The question isn't if we'll live on Mars, but when. Are you ready for a future on another planet? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.